Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a laptop. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our laptop, let's begin with the top. I'm going to start by making a line that's going to come down. I want to leave some space, and I'll make another line that comes down here. Next, let's draw a line that comes across to connect the top. And we'll make one that comes across here for the bottom. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down at an angle, and another one that's going to come down at an angle over here. After I have that, let's connect both of these lines with a nice straight line across. Then we're going to draw two lines that come down on each side. And we'll make another line that's going to come across here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and another one's going to come up here. I want to connect these for the little trackpad. Now I'm going to draw this line a little bit farther out here. Then I want to make a line that comes up on each side so we can start our little keypad. Next, we'll draw a line that comes across. And starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come over and down for the spacebar. Now we just want to draw some lines that are going to kind of come up at an angle. So we'll add some lines here and another here. Then we just want to make some little lines that are going to come across for the keys. Now inside of here we want to make the screen, so I'm going to start with two lines that will come down on each side. A line that comes across, and another line that comes across. Now let's add a little face in here. I'll start by making a circle shape for an eye, then we'll come over here, we'll make another circle shape for another eye. We'll add a black dot inside each one of these for the pupils. Next we'll draw a line across with a big smiley face shape for the mouth. We'll add some teeth and a little tongue in there. Next I'm just going to fill this in just by coloring in the black part here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a laptop. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.